I was just talking about this shit yesterday, bro. It's on.
My niggas always skied up, we can't be barefaced. ARP right to his dumb, just like a bottle of some hairspray. How these niggas out here acting like a grizzly, I think they barefaced. I just gave my bitch a band for that new wig, that's just her hair paint. Brand balls be.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy 345 Tail, man. Back here to give another video, man. Today, we doing a little POV drive, you feel me? This is just a little slight POV drive. No, this not the trenches POV drive. I know. That boy, SRT8T was supposed to do it with me, so he told me to wait. And then this nigga end up working on his car.
I don't give a fuck, Keisha.
Now his car been tooted up in the air for 4 days straight. So when his car get untooted up and he's done working, damn, my ass, don't mind my hands. But when his car get untooted up and he's done working on his car, then that's when y'all get the trenches video, because he want to do a trenches video with me because he's scared to do it by himself. So, son, if you watching this, I got you, son. That man shit. But you feel me right now? We done a little POV drive. It's just through the normal city. I ain't gonna lie. So, feel me? I'm finna hit the freeway. I'm on the way to get gas because my gas is low. Let me flip the cam. I'm on the way to get gas because it's low. Look at it. I got 34 miles to empty. So right now I'm on the way to get gas. You know you gotta go to Sam's Club to get that cheap gas, you feel me? That cheap 93, you feel me? Gotta go to Sam's Club to get that cheap 93. This a good little POV drive, you feel me? My God. A little POV drive. You feel me? We in eco mode right now though. We probably gonna go to check when we hit the freeway. No, it ain't no problem. We is, you feel me? Oh my God. I ain't gonna lie though, y'all. I am finna start getting back consistent for y'all, bro. I know y'all like, man, he capping, bro. He's not finna do that, bro. He's just capping. But the real shit though, I'm gonna try though. I'm gonna try. You feel me? I'm gonna try. Ain't nothing to it but just to do it, you feel me? But, you feel me? I ain't gonna lie, dude need to vacuum it out, bro, because it's all dirty here, bro. Not even dirty, bro. It's just leaves, bro, because it's getting ready to be winter time, and feel me? It's just a whole bunch of leaves. It's just a whole bunch of leaves. They go to boys. Oh my God, they be creeping around here. They be creeping around here, man. That's a good vacuum place right there, man. Shout out to Clean, man. Clean Express Auto Wash. Free vacuums. The vacuums is good. Very, very good. Yeah. We do got car parts on the way, man. For Christmas, I had my girlfriend order me just some cosmetic car parts. As far as like exterior, interior. I just gave y'all a hint. As far as interior, exterior, well, it's a little bit of exterior, but she ordered me some car parts. I'm gonna order myself some performance car parts, which is oil catch can, air intake, all the full bolt-on stuff for real. And then I'm also going to do an E85 kit on this car, so I'm probably gonna be running full E85 real soon, which that means my gas is gonna be burning way quicker, but it's gonna be way cheaper, but it ain't gonna make sense because it's gonna be burning way quicker, so I'm gonna be spending the same amount of money. But right now we on our way to Sam's Club to get some gas. We close by the freeway. This the last, this the last light, and then the next light is the freeway. So, oh, and one more thing, man. Y'all let me know, bro, because I'm finna get a second car, bro, but I don't know if I should get like another fast car to do content on as well, or should I just give me a little chill car for right now and just fully focus on the 300. But if I do give me another fast car, it's gonna be a truck though. I ain't gonna lie. I miss my well, y'all don't know, I had an SRT8 Jeep, and I got rid of it for the Magnum. I loved it though. I ain't gonna lie. Hey, That boy is getting down with Teslas, you hear me? Hey, that boy is getting down with Teslas from the dig. Oh my God, bro. You stopping hella hard. It was getting down with Teslas from a dig, though, bro. I bitched that car. That was my baby, for real, for real. Why is my mirror? I forgot my girlfriend drove my car last, bro. My mirrors is all changed in here, bro. Like, what the fuck? What the fuck, bro? Hold on, let me go into track. Ooh, we're in track mode. Oh my God! Damn! God, control that bitch. I was a little Cadillac trying to get out with me. Nah. Oh my God, bro. Look at the freeway, bro. The freeway is a little crowded, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know why I didn't go to Sam's Club earlier around like fucking 10, bro. That's when I should have did that, bro. Woo! Them bros say lives. Bro, it don't like it's nothing but traffic right here. I'm gonna get to y'all when I get back to the I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get to Sam's Club.
Cap.
Because going back, it don't look like this, but going there is kind of diabolical, as you can see. So I'll get back to y'all when we're there. All right, YouTube, man, we back, bro. As you can see, this shit still ain't got no gas in it, bro. Bro, this little dumb Sam's Club car acting retarded, bro. A whole bunch of BS, man. Oh my God. Right now, bro, I'm just gonna go to Kroger gas station, grab some gas, bro. Probably gonna get a Sam's Club, another Sam's Club card tomorrow or something, bro. I ain't gonna lie. It was not working. Bro, why is we still sitting here, bro? Like, come on. These niggas can't drive, bro. Oh my God. Look at this nigga. Like, bro, go around, gang. You want to be so fucking simple. And take that little ass shit around. Like, man. Oh my God, bro. These niggas can't drive over here, bro. Man, I'll get back to y'all, bro, when we on the freeway or the street, bro. But man, we back, bro. Finally on the street, bro. Oh my God, now this side's starting to fill up, bro. Let me push that back up, bro. That shit sounds so irritating. Alright. lie, YouTube. I gotta get me some tires. I almost just bought this bitch. My tires so uneven, bro. So like, that wasn't me extrally fucking swerving the damn steering wheel, bro. That's just the car just doing it itself, bro. Cause how uneven my tires is, cause they all bald from me sliding and doing all that bull stuff. Like if I hit the gas, I'll show y'all in a second. Hold on. You gotta get a little wrong. Like when y'all see me hit the gas, it's gonna go another way without me barely even doing that. Watch this. Like, y'all probably can't even tell over the phone, but it's definitely doing it. That's definitely not me doing it. Now you can tell when I'm patting it, look. It's doing all that extra swerving. Like, bro. It's doing all that extra swerving when I'm patting it. I don't know why. Well, I know why. I don't know why the hell I just said that. Get y'all a little pull, a little 65 pull. God, bro. Oh, is that the boys? No, that's not the boys. Thought that was the boys. Oh my God. Nah, y'all, but this gonna be the end of this video. I just wanted to give y'all a little POV drive, but I'm gonna have a better, I'm gonna have a better and more, what's called that, entertaining POV drive when we do a cutting up through the trenches. I promise y'all I am, I promise. But for right now, it's gonna be the end of this video, man. I'll get back to y'all in the next video, man. We out.
Fight! Fight!